Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another cooking video. So let's get into it. My air fryer. I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna brush this little thing here with some oil. Don't know the name, so please don't come up to me. You don't need a lot of oil because the chicken itself is fatty, but you just need enough. Alright, if you have the brown paper that they use for air fryers, it just makes it a lot less messier, then you can go ahead and do that. Well, it's greased, and now I'm going to add the chicken into it. And I'm going to put it in, and at the top it have the instructions for everything. So this is 180 for 20 minutes, so it's at 180 already. And I'm just going to put it at a 10-minute timer first, turn them, and then add another 10-minute timer, and that's how I cook them. So there you go. It's a bit noisy, but I hope you guys can still hear me. Okay, we're going to cut up some onions and garlic. Add some lettuce. I think I'm just gonna pick them and put them in some cold water, so we can have that as a side as well. It's just literally the best thing. This is the easiest pumpkin I ever encountered to peel. Look at that. And the knife isn't even that sharp. Easiest pumpkin. Skin is not that rough. I don't cut my fingers. Really how I know how to cut that. Growing up in the Caribbean. This is in this. I got this from Shein last year. I think summertime in August. Was it summer? Yeah. So I will try to find a link for it. I'm supposed to still have all the links of the product that I bought from Shein, because it's one of the most effective or important things that I bought as someone who loves to be in the kitchen. It's very, very helpful. So if you guys are interested in getting it, I will put the link in the description box. The only little thing I have with it is that you have to cut them into smaller chunks. Like you can't put this in it because the baby gets stuck in it. But other than that, it was maybe a 10 out of 10 for me. And it's a muscle work as well. So 10 minutes is up and then it's like that. So just to show you guys the side view of it. Look at that. Just a few seconds to minutes. I can never cut them up that small with a knife. So, okay. So from here, you might say, oh, they don't even look cooked. Believe me. In the next 10 minutes, you guys are going to see the transformation. So, and again, and hold on, make sure it's at the 10-minute mark. Yeah. Alright, so I got this place in the mic. Here are the letters that I granted. This is the letters that I got. I'm not sure what type of lettuce it is. So if you have an idea of what it is, then you can let me know. But some of them are older leaves, some of them are younger leaves. But it doesn't matter because if you eat them like this, they're gonna be quite bitter. Yeah. Salt, pepper. I want to sneeze for. Oh, that pepper made me sneeze. Pepper. Alright, chicken are done. Alright. They are fried, but I think they can go. I'm just gonna flip them over and give them like 5 minutes. They are finally done, much better. Let's see if the light can actually. Oh, the light is worse, but you can see them a bit better. I'm not sure if I recorded it, but it's tomato, salt, pepper, curry, and brown sugar. And I'm gonna add onions, onion, garlic, and chive, and some water to this. And the peas is already cooked, but the pumpkin needs to be cooked. So there we go. And I know it's gonna need more salt and maybe more pepper. And this is a homegrown sweet potato. I think I'm going to, see that the air fryer is already on. When the chicken is done, I'm going to like roast this in the air fryer because we do steam it. Yeah, and sometimes just doing the same old same. It's tradition, but sometimes you have to switch it up a bit. But I'm wondering if I should boil it first, like a little bit, and then I think I'll do that, and then cut it up smaller, just so that it won't be in the air fryer for too long. I think out of this and the yellow sweet potato, the yellow ones are a bit sweeter. Oh my god. Okay, that's the first one. I'm just going to put them on the side. Everything has its bad and good, but I think this good outweighs its bad. So as I was saying, I think I prefer the yellow ones. They're much sweeter, and I think the yellow ones cook faster as well. But this is what we have, and they kind of look like yam, but it's sweet potatoes. So I'm just gonna cut them like this, and then I might just leave them like that in the air fryer. Just little chunks. Alright. I'm just gonna put in a pot of water with a little salt. So the rice is on, the peas is on, and the potatoes are on. The chicken is in the air fryer, and the lettuce is in the refrigerator in some cold water. That's it. I think. So we're getting ready to make the sauce for the chicken. So you have the ketchup, the sugar, and the pepper here. And we're just going to mix them up while they in the saucepan. So as you can see, they're bubbling up. I'm using the spatula. It's okay. Just to mix it all up. And we have some onion, garlic, and sides in there. And we're gonna add some water. About a cup of water. Mix that up. Get the edges. Put the chickens in and let it boil. I'm gonna leave this here for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then before I turn it off, I will taste it, see if it need any salt or pepper, and then that's it. Potatoes. These are the potatoes, and just look at that. Uh oh, just look. I think it's probably the steam of it. I probably ate, I want to say about 3 to 4 of these because they're so good. They're like crunchy on the outside and very soft on the inside. These are the chicken. They are finished. Everything is basically finished now. Um, so when it's time to plate it up, I'm gonna show you guys that. Stay tuned. She doesn't want any potato, even though I did it a different way. More for me. Alright, lettuce. Just a cut bits. I did cut them up off camera. They were still a little bit bitter, but I'm hoping that it will. I'm not good how much. Not many, but lettuce. Let me show you guys how it's looking. Alright, next bit. Some sweet potatoes. Peas. Oh, the peas. I'm not the biggest fan of chicken right now, so a little bit of sauce over the rice or the chicken. Alright, and then I love lettuce. I might take another small. I make like lettuce, like wraps with the rice and peas and everything. So just taking some of the bigger one. Okay. Of course, a taste test is needed. All right. I know how these taste, but still, sweet potatoes. Yeah, really good. Probably the best way I've ever made sweet potatoes. Rice. You know, I didn't taste the rice. So I don't even know if it's over salted or salted. Mmm. It's topping. Mmm. Mmm. The rice is good. And I know I tasted this one. Mmm. Perfect. The chicken. Mmm. Tender and juicy. The lettuce has been chilling for a couple hours, so let's try it and see. Mmm. So most of the bitterness is gone, but I'm gonna just use it as a wrap, basically. And I'll show you guys. Just in case you guys wanna try it. So you have a little bit of rice, peas. If you wanna add chicken, it's up to you. Piece of the potato because it's quite too big for the entire thing of the whole. Second potato. You could add piece of the chicken if I could get a piece of it to come off. That's a wrap. It's falling apart. And we just enclose it, close it up, and oops, oops, oops. Mm, the sweetness of the potato, crunchiness of the lettuce, everything else. Mm, so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for coming along with me in this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.